Hi everyone, I'm just going to do a quick video on changing my gearbox oil today. I'm just showing you what I've done so far. So I'm going to be using a syringe hooked up to a pipe leading down to the fill bolt down there. I'll show you that in a minute. And it's always good to crack open the fill bolt first rather than the drain bolt, because if you crack open the drain bolt and you're unable to crack the open the fill bolt, then you're going to be in a bit of a pickle. So always good to make sure you can do the fill bolt first and do secondly the drain bolt. So I'm going to drain the oil out of this and see how bad it is. Okay, that's the fill bolt, 8H8X key. I've used an Allen key to crack mine open, and then what I've done is I put the pipe into the fill bolt down there into there, and now I'm going to crack that drain plug. So I'm going to use the breaker bar on it with the H8 key socket clockwise, so that's anti-clockwise. There it goes. You need to wear gloves really, but I'll be changing my diff oil. Right, here's the fill bolt, and there's the drain bolt. A H14 key. So it's a H14. So if you see there, H14, and that's also an H14. Okay. So make sure you open this one first, which is the fill, and then undo the drain and put a bucket. It's loose. The other one, I'm just going to crack it slightly, and then I'm going to put the bucket underneath. Actually looks quite clean, actually quite fresh. It's not too bad at all. Like that. Should really wear gloves for this. Should really wear gloves. Fill bolt. That drain out. So, oil. Right, that's 300 in.